In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import email lists and contacts to Mailerlite. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you know exactly how to get those valuable contacts into your Mailerlite account swiftly and efficiently. First, we need to head over to the Mailerlite website. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is look for the login button. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you've clicked login, you'll be presented with a few sign-in options. For simplicity and ease, I recommend choosing sign in with Google. This option securely connects your Google account with Mailerlite and saves you the hassle of remembering yet another password. Once you've clicked it, select your Google account and proceed to the next step. Now that you're logged into Mailerlite, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, scan the top menu for the subscribers tab and click it. This will take you to the section dedicated to managing your email list and contacts. Within the subscribers section, you'll see a button labeled Add Subscribers. This is where we want to go next. Clicking it will open up a new set of options, one of which is to import your contacts. To import your contacts, you want to look for the option that allows you to drag and drop your CSV file. This is by far the easiest method for importing bulk contacts. If you haven't already, make sure your email list is saved as a CSV file, a format that's widely used and compatible with Mailerlite. Simply drag your file into the designated area on the screen. Once your CSV file is uploaded, Mailerlite will guide you through mapping the fields in your file to the fields in their system. Be sure to double check that everything aligns correctly, as this ensures your data is imported accurately. When everything looks good, go ahead and finalize the import. And there you have it, your contacts are now imported into Mailerlite, ready for you to engage with through newsletters, campaigns, and more. Remember, organizing your contacts effectively and keeping your lists up to date is crucial for successful email marketing. I hope this guide has helped you understand how to import your contacts into Mailerlite seamlessly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out the help resources on Mailerlite's website or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.